Hi everyone, this is Mr. Swope from Swope & Sons Industries, and today this is part 3 of putting the ceiling fan back together. I have finished painting the dome piece. It is now white, and I'm going to take these blades off and then put the dome back on, and then we'll take a look at how it looks with the dome piece painted and nicely finished. So why don't we do that now? Time lapse in 3, 2, 1. Now we got the blades off. Now we're going to put the dome piece on. Now since we got the dome piece on, now we're going to put the blades back on. Time lapse in 3, 2, 1, now. And there you go. There is the project that is now completed. The globe is now back on, and is freshly painted. And I hope to see you guys in the next project. Thank you for tuning in to Swope & Sons Industries, and I hope you have a great day.